Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to link to a page section on Squarespace. I'll show you this on Squarespace 7.1. First, click the Edit button in the top left of your page. This brings you into edit mode where you can see all your sections. Next, hover over the section you want to link to, the section you'll be jumping to when someone clicks your link. When you hover, you'll see an Edit Section button appear in the top right of that section. Click it. The Section Settings panel will open on the right side of your screen. Now scroll down to the bottom of that settings panel. You'll see a field labeled Anchor Link. Click inside that text field and type a short, descriptive slug. Something like pricing or contact form works well. You'll notice there's already a hashtag in the field that stays there automatically, and any spaces you type will turn into dashes. Once you've added your slug, look for the copy link icon right next to the Anchor Link field. Click it. This copies the full URL to your clipboard, including your domain and the hashtag slug. Now navigate to wherever you want the clickable link to appear. This could be anywhere on the same page or on a different page entirely. For this example, let's add a text link. Add a text block if you don't already have one, then type the text you want people to click on. Highlight that text, and you'll see a link icon appear in the text block toolbar. It looks like a chain link. Click it. A link editor will pop up. Under the URL field, paste the anchor link URL you copied earlier. Before you apply it, make sure the toggle for Open Link in New Tab is turned off. You want the link to work on the same page, not open a new tab. Press Enter or click the Apply button. The link editor closes, and your text now appears styled as a clickable link. Finally, click Save in the top left corner to publish your changes. Once it's saved, test the link by clicking it. It should jump straight to the section you anchored. If you want to link to a section on a different page, just add the page slug before the hashtag like services number pricing. One quick note, you can't add anchor links directly to blog, events, portfolio, or store sections, but you can add a blank section right above one of those and anchor to that instead. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.